All right. Good morning, everybody. That's morning my time. So wherever you're watching me from. So like I promised, I said I was going to do a video on breakdown of how to use this Tradingview app on your mobile phone. Okay. So it has the system version and it has the phone version. So, but what I have now is my phone, Android, basically. So I'm just going to explain how this app works and what it's used for majorly. So the thing there is we use this app, for analysis. So this is where we do our analysis and we go on MT4 where we have either our live account or our demo account and execute. Okay. So the reason why we use TradingView for analysis is because they have the tools that is required, and it's very easy to use. It's very, very user friendly. Not at the beginning. At the beginning, it's kind of complicated, like complex, kind of. But once you figure it out, that's all. You enjoy the app. Okay. So let's dive straight into it. So first thing I want to bring to your notice is look at these icons on the base. You can see watch list. You can see chat. You can see explore ideas. So when I come to this watch list now, this watch list are the pairs, either currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, whatsoever that I have that I want to look at. Now, this is the first interface, which is the watch list, which is here at the top right corner. Sorry, beside this red flag here, this is watch list. Okay, so this watch list now is what we are looking at. So these are the pairs I have on my watch list: Euro USD, GBP USD, DXY, GBP CAD, Euro CHF, and all that. So this is what I have on my watch list. So at the top right corner here, where you see that plus sign, so we use this plus sign to add to our watch list whatsoever I want to add. So for example, let's say I want to look for gold. So the symbol for gold is XAU USD. So I'm going to type XAU USD. Okay, so you can see it gold. So if I want to add it, I'll just tap on the plus sign by the side of this. Oanda now is the broker that is giving us access to the gold market. So all I have to do is click on the plus sign here to add it to my watch list. Then when I go back, I'll find it at the base. Look at it, SAUSD, that is gold spot versus the dollar. All right. So having said that, now we want to access the chart so that we can do an analysis, and at the same time I'll show you the tools that are available. I won't really go deep into explaining what each tools is used for, because subsequently we are going to dive into market analysis, and that is where I can really break down each tools, how they work and where they work. Okay, so but for now I'm just going to bring it to your attention, bring it to your notice rather, that these tools are available and this and that. Okay, so let's go. Let me just pick a random this thing I use. Let's go with this USD CHF. I'm not using it for anything rather than just show you. So now I'm inside of this chart right here. I'm inside this chart now. All right, so good. So all I want to do, I want to go to a blank place where I have nothing. So now I'm inside this chart now, the USD CHF. So what you want to do is click on this pencil here by the side. Okay, that is down here. Click on the pencil. It pop up all these tools here that you're seeing. So you could see trend line, horizontal ray, vertical line, parallel channel, fib retracement, X to D pattern, A to D pattern, long, short, brush, highlighter, arrow maker. So and you could also see that I have some of these tools that you're seeing right now. They are being starred, this golden star here. So that is because I marked them as my favorite. So what this means is this: there are random tools here. You can see there are so many tools here. So I want to pick the ones that I use. Of course, you can't be using everything. You'll confuse yourself. So I pick the ones that are peculiar to me and I just use them. Okay. So let's go with the first one, trend line. So once you pick the tools, it turns blue, then you tap on your screen and you drag to any direction you want to draw. Remember what I said earlier, I'm not doing a full tutorial on each of these tools on how to use them. I'm just introducing them to you, right? Okay, so let's go. So that's trend line. Now let's take another one, horizontal line. Okay, same thing, tap it on the screen and it comes out. Okay, so you have the liberty to change the color. Let me change this to green. I can increase the pixel, like what it means is like how large I want the line to be. I like my lines to be bold, so I use to px, so it becomes bold. And I can actually change the color if I want, put it to gold, which I like to use. And so that is for horizontal line. Okay, so there are more tools. I have the parallel channel, same thing, touch and you drag. This one you have to tap on it again to expand. This is channel. So don't worry about the tools. Don't worry of how will you understand. Don't worry. All I want you to do is, after watching this video, just go ahead on your phone and explore. Just do the same thing that I'm doing now. Just play around with the tools so that you know what each of them can do. So the next one here, I have the brush. Majorly I use this one to write most times. I can use it to write. I can use it to circle something. Yes, I can draw anything I want with this one. So it's majorly for drawing for me. That is the brush. It's one of my favorites. I love to use it very well. And I also have the rectangle here, which I use to highlight zones. You could see. Okay. So, like I said, right, I'm not going into details in what each of these tools will do on the market or what they are used for. I'm just showing you the tools that are available on Tradingview that we'll be exploring. This part also, I like to use it. I like to use it to identify trends and just mark up things. Okay, so there are so many of them. So what I want you to do is go on your chart also. If you've downloaded the Tradingview from the App Store, you go to the app, open it. They might ask you for email, yes, for you to log in. Just put in your email. If you use Android, just put continue with your Google account. It will work with the current email you have on your phone, so you don't have to struggle about that one. All right, so good. So once you've done that, what you want to do next is head to the app and just do what I'm doing now. Just explore the app. Go to the tool, use random tool. Don't be scared. Just try to familiarize yourself with it. That's the only way you get better with the app, is to familiarize yourself with it. Okay. So this is just basically for analysis. All right. Is for analysis. So if you are confused on the pair, like this pair I'm using, why am I using this pair? Don't worry. It's all in the beginner book I sent. Okay. So and I'm trying to put together a video. All right, a good video that will help as a beginner, that will help us as beginners, that will be very beginner friendly. So I'm trying to put it up together, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to upload it. But first I want you guys to understand why we use this Tradingview and the tools. Okay, so I'll catch you guys later, and please explore the app. And you could see I also use the same tools to analyze my chart. So it's not something random. It's something that is very intentional. All right. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace out, man.